You are losing $4,800 this year to perfectly normal money habits. This isn't about skipping lattes or buying cheaper shoes. $4,800. That's a reliable used car. And I can prove you're doing it right now. I'll show you exactly what it is, but the answer is not what you expect. Habit number 1 is the convenience premium. You pay extra to make minor tasks slightly faster. That costs the average person $1,200 a year. Pull out your phone right now. Open your food delivery app. Look at the service fees and markup on your last 3 orders. We accept these fees because society normalized paying for zero effort. It feels like a small tax on being tired. Delete your saved credit cards from those apps tonight. Takes 3 minutes. Adding friction saves you that $1,200 immediately. But that's just the surface. Habit 2 steals even more. Last year, you promised to save more money. You tracked everything, downloaded an app, and tried harder, but your bank balance stayed exactly the same. That's because you treated a system failure like a discipline problem. Sound familiar? How many budgeting apps are gathering dust on your phone? You don't lack willpower, you lack a closed loop. Modern banking is designed to make money flow out frictionlessly. Trying to out-willpower a billion-dollar algorithm is a losing game. We need to plug the holes before we add more water. 4 leaks, 4 fixes. I'll show you all 4 in the next 8 minutes. Stop. Before I go further, how much do you think you're leaking each month? The average adult loses $400 a month without noticing. Not rent, not bills, money that vanishes silently. In 12 months, that's a fully funded emergency fund. Let's look at habit 2. It's totally invisible. Habit 2 is subscription creep, costing you $840 a year. You sign up for a free trial and forget it completely. These companies rely on your fatigue to keep billing you. It's called the Inertia Tax. Doing nothing costs you money. They make subscribing take 1 click and canceling take a phone call. You tell yourself you'll do it this weekend, but you never do. Over 5 years, that's $4,200 stolen from your future self. Open your bank statement and search the word monthly. Cancel any service you haven't used in 30 days. Takes 5 minutes. Better yet, switch your active subscriptions to an annual plan. To upgrade this fix, use a virtual privacy card. Set a strict monthly limit so they can't overcharge you. If they raise the price, the payment declines automatically. That's $2,040 saved so far, $170 back every month. But habit 3 uses your own phone against you. Let me show you where you stand right now. Delivery friction saves $1,200. Subscription pruning saves $840. That's $2,040 a year from 2 changes. Both took under 5 minutes. The next 2 insights are worth more than that combined. Get ready for habit 3, the algorithmic upgrade. Habit 3 forces you to buy things you never wanted. Targeted social media shopping costs you $1,500 annually. You aren't shopping, you are being hunted by algorithms. They know exactly when you are most vulnerable to spending. That's $15,000 lost over a decade to impulsive clicks, money traded for a 5-minute dopamine hit you instantly regret. Turn off personalized ads in your social settings. Takes 2 minutes. But even this isn't the biggest one. Habit 4 is different. It's not a fee or a hidden app setting. It's something you're actively choosing to do every single payday. You think you're being responsible. You're actually losing money. Habit 4 is the phantom safety net, keeping all your savings in a traditional checking account. You feel safe seeing that big number when you log in. But inflation and zero interest cost you $1,260 a year. Your money is melting like an ice cube on a hot sidewalk. Banks rely on your fear of investing to hold your cash hostage. They lend your money out at 20% and pay you nothing. Open a high-yield savings account today. Set up an automatic transfer. Takes 90 seconds to set up. It pays you every single month. If you're still watching, you're already in the top 10%. Most people who clicked this video are already gone. You stayed. In the next 3 minutes, I'll give you a plan you can start tonight. A year from now, someone is going to ask how you did it. This is how. Grab a pen. Here is your 24-hour wealth action plan. 4 insights, 4 fixes, all 4 doable tonight in under 30 minutes. Step 1. Delete saved cards from delivery apps. Takes 3 minutes, saves you $100 every month. Force yourself to type the numbers to break the convenience habit. Step 2. Audit your recurring subscriptions. Takes 5 minutes, saves you $70 a month. Cancel the dead weight and switch the rest to virtual cards. Step 3. Disable personalized ad tracking on your phone. Takes 2 minutes, saves you $125 a month in impulse buys. Blind the algorithms so they stop triggering your spending triggers. Step 4. Open a high-yield savings account. Takes 15 minutes, earns you $105 a month in interest and protection. Move your phantom safety net where it actually grows. That's a total swing of $400 every single month. That's $4,800 a year without changing your income, your job, or your lifestyle. The biggest lie in personal finance is that saving requires suffering. It's not about discipline, it's about design. Willpower fades, but automated systems work while you sleep. Wealth is what you keep, not what you catch. You're not someone who struggles to save. You're someone who had holes in the bucket. Now you know, now you fix them. Imagine your life exactly 12 months from today. You log into your bank and see a massive safety net. You feel total peace because your money finally works for you. Remember that $4,800 from the beginning? That's what the average person loses every year to normal habits. You now have the exact tools to keep every penny of it. You just transformed from a passive spender to a system builder. You control your money. It no longer controls you. Your financial foundation is finally solid and ready to build upon. Comment below which of these 4 habits surprised you most. Hit subscribe and click the bell. Next video drops Tuesday. I'll show you exactly how to multiply that $4,800 you just saved. Build the habit, build the wealth. See you next time.